Hey guys, JDizzEats, and today we're gonna try some Popeyes Cajun Chicken Sandwich. It's like this. So I tasted their fried chicken, but now we're tasting this one. And the reason why we're doing this because there's recently a new location in Winnipeg, closer to us. And why not try these? And I was going to do a video there, but there's music and I want to get a copyright strike, so I decided to record here. And yeah, look at that. So let's get into this. Alright, on this chicken Cajun sandwich we got some bun. So we got some tomatoes in here, and we got some sauce in there. Let's taste the sauce here. It tastes spicier. Lettuce and some chicken. And what else? That's it, it's just the sauce. So yeah, pretty generous. Yeah, let's get this a taste. Let's get this a taste now. So also we got some fries here, Cajun fries. So it's a combo, so it's $8.99. And I chose the fries and some drink. But let's shut up and eat about this. So yeah, let's give this a taste. First bite. Okay, the sauce, it's really spicy, and here it's really good. It's really spicy, and yeah, so here's my 2 bites. Alright, let's try their Cajun fries. So let's see if this is better than Chick Fil A's chicken sandwich. And we'll tell that at the end of the video. Okay, yeah, let's go taste this one. Has nice seasoning here. It's crunchy. Yeah, pretty good Cajun fries here. And a drink. Alright. So it's not fresh anymore, but still looks moist, the chicken. And yeah, let's give this a taste. Another one. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah. Alright guys, I rate that Popeyes Cajun Chicken Sandwich a 7.5 out of 10. And the reason why, because it's pretty good, except for that spiciness. It ruins it. I didn't taste much of the chicken and the vegetables. All I taste that spiciness of it. But anyways, it was pretty good. And I would not order them again. If I were going to order a sandwich, I would try to order the original one, just the not spicy version, or the Creole chicken sandwich, and see if it's better. And is this better than Chick Fil A? Nope. And the reason why, because in Chick Fil A, it has the right amount of spiciness, and the chicken is way better there, better quality, and has more flavor than it. Even though it just have like simple pickle sauce and chicken in Chick Fil A, then Popeyes just has tomato, lettuce, sauce, and a chicken. But I would suggest you guys try the spicy one, the Cajun one, chicken sandwich in Popeyes. And guys, we're gonna end off the video for today. If you do enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment for any suggestions, and subscribe. And guys, see you guys next video. Bye.